kaming ambag sa groups.
Parang ambag sa
Oh, I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Anong pwedeng gawin kapag may paso? Bili ka daw ng tenga sa Shopee.
Sapo, your turn. Matibag.
That it's gonna be balot. So, the English of balot is Dr. Quack Quack. Yeah, that's how you call it. But it's so yummy. You know, it has soup. When you crack when you crack, galit na galit yung when you crack the balot and then when you open the shell and then you drink, it's so yummy. People say it's people kept saying na it's the duck's, anong English ng ihi, please. It's the duck's urine, but it's not. It's just the water from the boiling water. It's the Dr. Quack Quack. So if you come here in the Philippines, you should ask the people, where can I buy Dr. Quack Quack? You know what? Here in the Philippines, we believe that if it's raining and if it's sunny day, there's an encanto na nagpapakasal, getting married. No, kapre, a human tree, they are getting married. So you should really come here in the Philippines so you can witness the marriage happening. Ayan, si Emmanuel nagparamdam ulit. Okay, Emmanuel, alam mo ba na gumawa ako ng story tungkol sa akin? Title nun is Earthquake Love. Dahil gumuguho ang mundo ko kapag nandun.
Ito yung para